Do plants have consciousness? Hello and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time, my name's John. So, do plants have consciousness? My hot take on this is yes, they do. The meaning of hot take is a quick idea about something, a quick decision. So, not thinking objectively, not researching it, just your subjective idea. So, my quick subjective answer to that question is yes, plants have consciousness. But that's strongly connected to my spirituality. And spirituality is also very subjective. So, how about objective evidence? Is there any objective evidence to show that plants have consciousness? Recently, I watched a video made by the Swedish company IKEA. It was an anti-bullying video, trying to persuade young people not to bully. But they used plants to make their point. They had two plants, and those two plants were consistently talked to. The first plant had lots of positive things said to it, lots of praise. The second plant was verbally abused. It was bullied. Everything said to it was extremely negative. The outcome was that the first plant flourished, it grew and it was healthy. But the bullied plant wilted very badly and looked on the verge of dying. Is this evidence for plant consciousness? What do you think? If you'd like to see the video, it's linked below. Please take a look. Another video that I saw was by the New Yorker. In the New Yorker, they showed plants that seemed to be planning and deciding to do things and showing emotions if they could or could not do it. There were two plants that were trying to grow towards a pole so they could connect themselves to the pole. The first plant seemed to be making a strong effort to get to the pole, and when it reached it, it seemed to relax. The second plant was behind the first plant, so when it understood that the first plant had reached the pole, it showed signs of disappointment. But again, is this objective evidence or is this just subjective? Again, I've put a link below. Please take a look. So recently, there's a lot of research into the consciousness of plants. But some traditional botanists are reacting badly against this idea and are strongly saying that plants do not have brains or nervous systems like humans or other high-functioning animals, so absolutely they can't have consciousness. So there's an argument between researchers who believe they're finding consciousness and other researchers who strongly believe that there isn't any consciousness. You can read an article about this, again linked below. It's from the Guardian newspaper from the UK. Okay, now I have some questions for you. Number one, what is your hot take for do plants have consciousness? Number two, if plants have consciousness, what does that mean for humans? Number three, do you believe that there is evidence showing plant consciousness? And finally, number 4. For you, what does consciousness mean? For those of you taking lessons with me this week, we'll talk about these things in class. And also, if you want to comment below, please feel free to do so. And also, anybody who's not taking lessons with me, feel free to put your opinions or comments below. もしこのビデオが気に入ったらいいねをお願いします。Thank you very much for watching today. See you next time. Bye for now.